Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super healthy ragi toast recipe. A perfect, healthy, wholesome and nutrient dense breakfast for the whole family. Kids will enjoy this healthy ragi toast for breakfast. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using fresh ragi dosha batter for this recipe. I have already shared how to make ragi dosha batter. Links will be updated below this video. Into a bowl, add in 1 cup or about 4 to 5 large ladleful of the ragi dosha batter. Into that, add in 1 green chilli chopped. If making for kids, adjust green chillis. Add in half onion chopped, 1 grated carrot, 1/4 of a capsicum chopped, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, which I am tearing and adding in. Curry leaves are a good source of iron and folate, hence I use them in my recipes. 1/4 inch of ginger grated. Now there is already salt in this ragi batter, so I'm not adding in any extra salt. Mix all this really well. For those who are new to ragi, ragi is also known as finger millet and nachni in Hindi. It's gluten free and is one of the best non-dairy source of calcium. It is also very good food for growing children. Ragi is an excellent source of iron, vitamin B1 and is a natural source of vitamin D. Ragi helps to manage diabetes and the high fiber keeps you feeling fuller for a longer time and thus it helps in weight loss and weight management. I'm greasing my toaster with a half teaspoon desi ghee. The reason why I'm using desi ghee is that it helps to assimilate the vitamins and minerals in ragi. Vitamins like vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin and needs a healthy source of fat for better absorption. However, you can also use virgin coconut oil instead. Those with health issues like PCOS and diabetes must try to include ragi in their diet. Once the toaster is greased well, pour in 2 ladlefuls of the batter. Close the toaster and keep it on the gas stove. After about 30 seconds, flip it over and then reduce the flame. Let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes and make sure that you turn the toaster in between so that both the sides are cooked well. Once done, you can see that both the sides are toasted well. Serve the ragi toast to a plate and enjoy with curry leaves chutney or any chutney of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy ragi toast and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.